YouTube Premium Lite subscription is offering ad-free viewing for less. This is being piloted in Europe. Premium Lite. Well, I'm a premium member. You're a premium member here, but a full premium, not Premium Lite, obviously. This looks like, I guess it's going to be a little bit less money, $6.99, and it's going to give you ad-free viewing, but probably without music?
No music and no background play.
Oh, that's weird. Give them the background play at least.
No.
Jeez. Okay.
And offline downloads, I guess.
A new offering gives users even more choice. Premium Lite, $6.99, or the local equivalent, and includes ad-free videos on YouTube. In comparison, the existing premium plan in that market is $12. Premium Lite includes ad-free viewing across YouTube's main app on the web, iOS, Android, smart TVs, and game consoles, as well as in the YouTube Kids app. However, it doesn't include any YouTube music benefits like ad-free listening, and it doesn't include background playback for when you want to switch to another app while continuing to listen to audio from YouTube video or offline downloads. All right, so I just want to give people a recap on this. If you get YouTube Premium, which I encourage people to do because obviously I use it myself and love it. Nobody, first of all, if you need to have a music subscription, you want to have a music subscription, I'm talking about the full premium. Imagine you would pay the same as some other music service, but then also get ad-free YouTube and background play and whatever other advantages exist. Plus, myself, the person posting a video, we get a percentage of your premium subscription when you have it. Yeah. So it's beneficial to me as well. So if you go sign up for premium, you are actually contributing to this show right here without watching the ad. Mm-hmm. So I'm a big proponent of it. I hope it doesn't become $1 billion, but right now it's a pretty good value. And you get it for even less because you're spread it out with all the family and stuff.
For sure. I'm curious to see how this goes because people just don't want to watch ads. So if they give you a subscription that's just ad-free without any of the other features, it's another option.
But how do you weigh it? Like as far as when you think about your whatever per month, I'm sorry, I don't know what it costs. Is it?
I don't know either. I pay with a family plan.
So per person, it's something like
I think it's like
$8, maybe
less.
Okay, so you have it even less with
I think so
with the family plan. But like, what portion of it would you say is relative to the music service versus the ad-free portion? Like, which is more important to you?
Ad-free. But music is up there too, because when I'm driving, it's just put on some music.
And you would have otherwise had Spotify or something else.
Yeah, or a podcast or something.
Yeah, so. Cool. All right.
Yeah.